I'm not paying you to do whatever it is you're doing out here.
Fine. So don't pay me.
Excuse me?
And quit. So you don't have to pay me. Now leave me alone.
Asshole.
I think you just became my personal hero. Isn't it? Makes you nervous just quitting your job like that?
Well, I guess when you're all, what, 16, 18. I just do these gigs as a cover. I have other sources of income. But my dad interferes less in my life when I pretend to be an upstanding young citizen with a respectable job.
Lester?